Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change touch and hold delay on this device. For this, go to settings and tap on the option accessibility. So in this page, you can see the option interaction and dexterity. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option touch and hold delay. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option set touch and hold delay. Tap on this one. So here you can see some options. The very short, this is for the 3 second, and short for 5 second, medium 1 second, long 1.5 second, and we can also customize. So better to choose the short, medium or long. Okay, so these settings changes how long you need to press the screen before an action is recognized. Okay, so simply in this way we can change the touch and hold delay on this device. So according to your choice, you can select 0.3 second, 0.5 seconds, 1 second, 1.5 second. Also you can customize. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.